Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. She didn't realize it was a two-way street. This idiot made a left turn and then forgot where his home is.
One eternity later.
Not sure what this guy was trying to accomplish. It's insane that some people still do this.
Oh shit, babe. Oh shit. Should I put my hat? Oh babe, I'm gonna cry. Do you gonna
Just when you thought you were in the clear, this idiot squeezed through at twice the speed
I
limit.
remember him saying to me, yes, it will be history. And so I knew this was a big deal.
He was right.
I haven't seen anything like this before. They're lucky the truck driver was paying attention. I guess lane switching without a signal is normal for some people.
Six and a half hours later.
For some reason, I thought they were both starting to fight for going first. Not that close, but if oncoming traffic has to hit their brakes, there's definitely an issue.
A few moments later. 20 minutes later.
I had a bad feeling when I saw that the car was being driven by a woman. Comment if you know the name of that car.
A few moments later.
Seems like the driver's mirrors, indicators and awareness were all offline. It took him 20 minutes to realize he wasn't in his lane. I think the real star of the video is the car owner's dog, who takes forever to figure out who did that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.